That's a little bunsen burner.
Okay, you want me to turn it off? Oh, you saw the other one.
We're making a video. This is Jessica. No. What you doing?
Oh my god.
The live fire.
I love microwaving jumbo marshmallows. I like watching the big bubbles. Because they're like a falling hard.
Trying.
I don't know.
You're like my friend. She likes to burn her marshmallows too. We're trying to convince her to let us have a gymnastics end of the season.
She's like, no.
Because we're all like, you should come to your apartment. She's like, I want your apartment to be professional.
I like toasted.
Cassie, you guys missed out.
Well, I like making videos. So I'm videoing myself making it. I just got chocolate all over the Bunsen burner. Smooth, brah. And there's Hannah. Guys, look at you need to melt your chocolate.
Actually, that's really smart.
I know, but
I'll take that piece of chocolate.
This is Morgan. You're gonna burn your chocolate if you're not careful. Why are we doing that? Well, if the stick's burning, you might wanna
Blow it.
blow it.
That's a good idea to melt your chocolate.
Well, no, girls, you guys need to leave in about 45 seconds.
Oh!
So
I'll take what I can get.
ready to head out.
What are you talking about?